Hello YouTube, my name's Joe Lyman, and I'm showing you more of my ultra-compact starter build. Last time, we overviewed the smelting process of three 480 raw iron ore nodes, and how we converted those into screws, iron rods, and iron plates. Now, however, we're going to see what the next step is, assembling. The 100 plus milestones mod has assemblers. They look just like the constructors, but they're stacked too high. Here, from the lower floors, I'm routing up iron rods and screws from over there, flowing them through, giving them a nice balance and splitting them all apart. So everything's all operating nice, smooth, level, and yeah, look at that. In synchronicity, all four at once come out with a little bit of belt clipping, but the sacrifices you make in order to get really compact builds. Here we're slowly starting to build up on reinforced iron plates. I'm not quite consuming the full 60 per minute. At least I don't believe I am. Over here we have assemblers, and each of these are consuming 9 per minute. So 9 by 6 is 54. Yeah, not consuming all of them. So that's just going to keep loading up, which is nice. And yeah, we have another great clean reinforced iron plates coming in one side, iron rods coming in the other, evenly splitting between 6 and 6 of these assemblers. And again, these assemblers, not only are they more compact, they're 3 times as powerful. So any of these machines you see, the recipes that they display are like going 300% overclocked on each of them, or simply having, instead of having 6 here, we'd have 18 assemblers in order to match this production rate. So for this, 6 times 6 is 36. That's how many modular frames we're producing. So just over, just less than 1 every 2 seconds, flowing through, moving and grooving. Over here, we have a slightly different production line. We have our first 2. So yeah, these 2 screws are moving over to the reinforced iron plates. These 2 back ones here are being load balanced, going from 2 in to 3 out. Essentially, it's simple. It looks knotted and gnarly and clipping and gross, but it's not too bad. Essentially, the way it works is you have one line feeding in. You feed 1 to this merger, 1 to this merger, and 1 to this merger. So all of the screws coming up this lift get sent to all 3 of the machines, and similarly, the same thing goes the other way, where this one lift gets distributed once, twice, and 3 times. And then at each of these mergers now are getting 2 input rows of screws. And if either of these lifts are cut off or lacking screws, it'll just simply pull more from the other one, and it'll hopefully not slow down or bottleneck any of the production. And yeah, we have 3 of these assemblers producing 36 rotors per minute. They're slowly building up in here because I'm not consuming them as fast. Here we can sort of see they're being used. They're being stuck through this wall, as are these modular frames. Let's explore a bit, shall we? I have them routing down all the way this way to my next facility. Here is just a temporary setup that I did it before I got my I got all of the baby stuff unlocked. And essentially what it's doing is it's using the modular frames and merging them with these steel beams to produce my space elevator milestone that's coming up next. These versatile frameworks. So as I dump more steel beams in there, I'll get closer to the 2500 goal. And this bin here holds specifically 2400. So yeah, once this is full, I'll be pretty close to that one objective. Next, the rotors are moving and grooving down. Let's do a big jump here. And go over. Those two lines are running this way. We're gonna go blast right past my nice, super awesome refined power mod coal factory here, producing all the power I could ever want at this stage in the game. Here though, we see the rotors are going into this building. This building is... Oh, am I gonna make it? I did. Yes, one jump. Anyway, rotors are coming here into this assembly, producing 15 rotors per minute. So at the other factory I was producing 36. So again, it's nice being able to step down like that, so that way in your bins they always have material to pull from when you need it. And then stators are being produced over here. We're producing 30 per minute from all of these pipes and all of this wire. Again, nice baby constructors, making everything super compact. Over here, in addition to the motor stuff, we are busy producing lots of encased industrial beams at approximately 18 per minute. Really, I'm limited in this area by this one single iron node. Eventually, when I unlock steamed iron or whatever it's called, I'll be able to boost this steel production by having more flexibility with my raw iron. Next, however, we gotta see something else that's real cool. All of these copper ingots that are coming in, we have set up over here steamed copper setup with baby refineries. Or alternate is pure copper ingot using water and copper ore. So we're doing 300 out of there, and each of these is like 113 ingots. 113 times 6. Yeah, we have lots and lots of excess copper available now, which is good. Good stuff. Yeah, I ended up solving. It took me a while to. I thought I had multiple solutions, but all of this wood production was a huge pain. And what I ultimately ended up doing was capitulating. And here you can see I just fed a little bit of water into this water packager, and it's slowly drawing from there, and these forests will never fully back up with water. Here you can see there's still water limited. I could probably reduce the draw rate on that a bit and get a little bit of extra efficiency out, but for all intents and purposes, we are doing good on all of this wood production and how it migrates all the way through to this final weird shell-shaped building, making baby curious adapters, and we have no lack of material to speak of, which is nice. And here we're just slowly accruing these nice little parts that allow us those ultra compact builds. Anyway, if you like this build style, being all nice, tight, compact, and very efficient, and you'd want to talk with me or hang out with me as I build, I do live streams. I'm currently doing a live stream right now, and yeah, if you do want to participate, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.